Is it time to buy or sell MP Materials stock? In this video, we will explore MP Materials in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has ranked MP Materials as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.96. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 174.65% since we first identified MP Materials as a buy candidate 44 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.97% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock currently lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $69.22 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 295.11% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 173.37% to 305.14%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 81.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 33.24% to positive 84.23% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $45.07 and $124.38. Our latest daily update for MP Materials includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for MP Materials Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The MP Materials stock price fell by 1.29% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, decreasing from $68.39 to $67.51. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.43%, with a low of $66.67 and a high of $70.95. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 10.42% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, since trading volume should follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 469,000 shares, resulting in a total of 11 million shares being traded for approximately $716,640,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $70.95, while the lowest was $10.36. Currently, the price is 4.85%, or $3.44, below the 52-week high of $70.95, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. MP Materials Corp is generating significant buzz in the market, with its stock climbing over 300% this year. The company's recent second quarter revenue forecast, projecting a 45% increase, presents a strong momentum that is attracting investors. However, concerns about rising production costs and potential negative earnings are casting shadows on this positive outlook. The stock experienced a substantial rally, spiking from around $20 to $65 in just a few months, fueled by strategic partnerships with major firms like the Department of Defense and Apple, which are reinforcing its position in the rare earth materials sector. This shift makes MP a strategic U.S. asset rather than just a speculative investment, offering increased long-term demand and greater visibility on margins. Options trading activity indicates a bullish sentiment among institutional investors, with key resistance levels noted at $65 and $85 ahead of earnings, while some analysts remain cautious about the stock's current valuation, suggesting it may be priced too high in light of mounting production costs. The strong institutional positioning could support its price in the near term. In the long run, MP's strategic relevance and relationships with governmental entities and tech giants may create a favorable environment for steady growth. However, investors should remain vigilant about earnings reports and market conditions that could influence stock performance. Overall, the current momentum and strategic significance of MP Materials could yield positive returns, but volatility is likely as the company navigates its cost challenges. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MP an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general, strong sell rating to MP Materials stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MP Materials. The MP Materials stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $63.95 and $48.63. If the stock drops below either of these levels, it may trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 5th, 2025, and the stock has since experienced a decline of 1.29%. Further decreases are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, the trading volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence. Sell signal identified. Pivots. Sell signal detected 2 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal observed 83 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal noted 5 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal recorded 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 43 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal recognized 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal logged 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 36 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MP Materials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $60.26 and $58.55. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MP Materials finds support just below today's level at $60.26. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $58.55 and $58.22. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.28 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.43%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MP Materials, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 16 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MP Materials. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MP Materials is at $68.39. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, MP Materials faces its first support level at $60.26. If this support level holds, it could present an excellent entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for MP Materials from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Hoops Elliott Dean, who bought and sold 12,675 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 80.296. In total, insiders purchased 887,156 shares and sold 6,166,222 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $64.67, representing a decline of 4.21%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top, identified just 1 day ago. Is MP Materials stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance that MP Materials stock will perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we anticipate that MP Materials will open higher by 87 cents, beginning trading at $68.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.